In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on Amazon, seamlessly guiding you through the process of making a purchase on one of the world's largest online marketplaces. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or a complete newcomer, it's always helpful to revisit the basics. So let's dive right in. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to Amazon's website. Simply type in www.amazon.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will lead you to the bustling homepage of Amazon, filled with a myriad of options and possibilities. Once you're there, it's essential to sign into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it. If you're new to Amazon, no worries. You can easily create a new account by clicking on Create Account and following the step-by-step instructions provided. Amazon will guide you through entering your email, creating a password, and setting up your personal details. Now that you're signed in, it's time to browse for products. Here, Amazon offers a dual approach. You can use the search bar located at the top of the page to type in specific items you're looking for. Or you might choose to leisurely browse through the categories, exploring various departments that capture your interest. It's all about how you prefer to shop. After finding something you like, click on the product to dive into the details. A comprehensive product page will unfold before you, displaying essential information such as detailed descriptions, customer reviews, ratings, and shipping details. This is your chance to make an informed decision about whether this product meets your needs. Once you've made up your mind, decide whether you want to add the product to your cart or make a swift purchase. If you plan to continue shopping, click on Add to Cart. However, if you're eager to buy this item right away, simply select Buy Now for a speedy checkout process. If you added items to your cart and are ready to purchase, navigate to the cart icon, typically located at the top right side of your screen. Click on it and then hit Proceed to Checkout to initiate the final steps of your shopping experience. At checkout, you'll need to enter your shipping address. You can add a new address or select an existing one from your list. Be sure to provide accurate delivery details to ensure your package arrives precisely where you want it. Next, you'll choose your payment method. Amazon offers various options, including credit or debit cards, gift cards, and sometimes other payment methods, depending on your location. Select or add your preferred payment option. Finally, it's crucial to review your order details one more time. Double-check everything, from the product details to the shipping address and payment information. Once everything looks perfect, click Place Your Order, and voila, your purchase is on its way. Happy sa atin sa shopping!